did two holes with that. The holes are over here. You can see two holes, not the first one, middle one and second one. But I deleted the video. Now I am doing it third one. The same drill. The same drill you see. So support or not, I'm watching my camera and drilling it. Bismillah. Over here, it will cut in a minute, in a second. Look. Very nice. Very fast. In a few seconds, it cut the hole here. Same little bit. This is very small drill bit. This one. You can see over here, it's not even it's just a 1 inch, less than 1 inch, this drill bit. It should cut like this. The drill bit is in a good sharp shape. And thank you very much. If you like my video, subscribe. Thumbs up, give a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much. This drill, I sharpened it. It's very small, just as you can see my finger. It's not even a 1.5 inch on. Yeah, 1.5 inch. Or you can say near 2 inch. But like this one, it will work. You sharp it nicely, nice one, nice curve, it will work. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.